This is a quick video on my Ludwig BackBeat combination drum kit. It's two 5-piece kits cobbled together into an affordable Joey Jordison tribute style drum kit. I got them both used for a good price, have them plugged into this Carvin mixer I got used to mic them up. All very affordable. 4 of the toms are the same size, but they're tuned accordingly and sound pretty decent. I also got a big steel Ludwig snare drum that I thought was kind of similar to something Joey might have without buying the signature. And overall, it's a pretty cool little kit. Here's what it sounds like. Alright, so that was the demo mix, completely unprocessed. The way it came out the mixer, that's straight into the video here. Obviously, this is a super budget kit, but I think considering I spent around $1,200 for nearly everything you see in this kit, maybe a little bit more, but it's a very budget setup, including the recording gear. I'm very happy with the way it came out. The Carvin mixer this is all plugged into, I think I got for like $80 at a flea market. But yeah, if you're interested in seeing more like kind of budget music videos like this, feel free to subscribe. I'll be posting more stuff. This is just kind of a quick little video to introduce the channel. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.